Good afternoon, and thank you for logging on to your Northwest Florida QuickCast for August 17th, 2017. I'm meteorologist Cameron Young. Pretty typical weather here along the Gulf Coast with scattered afternoon showers and thunderstorms. That pattern is going to continue through this weekend, maybe into early next week, but we do start to decrease those rain chances next week. But unfortunately, that means we start cranking up that heat. And also heating up are the tropics. We have several systems that we're watching. First is Hurricane Gert, which is off to the southeast of Cape Race, Newfoundland, which is off the east coast of Canada. It's going to continue racing off to the east-northeast. It's not going to bother anyone except those that have shipping interests across the North Atlantic. So that's going to become post-tropical later today. But then we now have potential tropical cyclone number 9. This was Invest 91L. It's expected to become a tropical storm later today or tonight, as it moves westward into the Caribbean and across the Caribbean, and it could become a hurricane as we head into early next week as it approaches portions of Central America and the Yucatan Peninsula. To the east of potential Tropical Cyclone 9 is Invest 92L. This has a 60% chance of developing into a tropical storm or tropical depression during the next several days as it moves to the west-northwest. Further off to the east, just off the coast of Africa, is a tropical wave. It has a 30% chance of becoming a tropical depression or tropical storm during the next 5 days. So we're getting closer to that peak of hurricane season. You always need to have that emergency kit supplied, your plan ready to go, just in case any tropical weather does threaten our area. However, in the near term, nothing to worry about, just a few isolated showers and thunderstorms this evening. They will fade quickly after sunset, leaving us with partly cloudy skies, a 10% chance of a shower popping up along the coast. Otherwise, very muggy, lows in the mid-70s inland, upper 70s to lower 80s along the coast. Tomorrow, we repeat the cycle that we had today. A not so great chance of rain, only at 30% with isolated thunderstorms. Highs will be generally between 90 and 95 for most areas, maybe touching 96, especially closer to Mariana, Grand Ridge, and Sneads. You may see higher temperatures closer to 96, maybe 97, but most of us will deal with mainly sunny skies. As we head into this weekend, we bump up that rain chance just a little bit to 40%, which is typical for this time of year, and unfortunately we do carry that into Monday, which is the day of the eclipse. So we're going to see those typical afternoon showers and thunderstorms. We're going to have partly cloudy skies overall. Hopefully we won't have too many clouds, so that way we will be able to see the eclipse, but pretty much expect typical summer weather going into Monday. Tuesday looks a little bit better, but it's going to be hotter. Less rain means higher temperatures. Highs will start climbing closer to the mid-90s for most everyone. I can't rule out a couple upper 90s, especially Wednesday, as we see higher temperatures, maybe a little bit more sunshine. But the rain chance does return as we head into later next week at about 30%. Otherwise, it's going to be quite steamy, especially at night with those lows in the mid to upper 70s. I'm meteorologist Cameron Young. Thank you for logging on to your Northwest Florida QuickCast, and I hope you have a fantastic day.